I'm Keir, Contract Field Installation Manager, and I looked after DIY SOS Leicester. It was for a girl called Isla, so we completely did the kitchen for him. It's a shaker green style kitchen with full appliances and quartz in as well. We had 2 days to get it done, inclusive of the quartz and appliances, so everything needed to be perfect. So on the day we turned up, we had to basically get all the other trades involved and sort of say, look, this is where we need this to be. Community aspect of the whole project is something I don't think I've ever experienced before. The way people were working together, taking time out of their day. I'm actually blown away by the amount of people who were interested in doing this project with us and coming on board to help. It just shows that the installers we've got are really, not only they're good fitters, but they're a really nice bunch of people as well. You don't almost think about the bigger picture of you're on DIY SOS doing this. For me, it was a kitchen that needed to be done within 2 days. We need to get it sorted. It wasn't until the reveal day and I saw Isla and her mum coming out in tears, kind of looking at everyone saying thank you, that you really think, actually, this isn't just a kitchen we've put in here. This is actually going to change someone's outlook on life, and they've actually had a helping hand for once. We're a household name, and for us to give back to the community in a way that no other field are doing is just incredible.